As the market trends in a downwards direction, you can still make money in crypto through shorting the market. In the past, you've probably heard lots of YouTubers talking about Phoenix and Bybit, which are both based over in China. And for that reason, I'm starting to look at this platform called PrimeXBT, which is based in Switzerland and has a huge amount more pairs and liquidity on offer. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a breakdown today of what's on offer on this platform, as well as a sort of a basic tutorial. And I'll also bring you in another video something about the co-vesting, which is enabling you in a sort of an eToro type way to follow other experienced traders, but that's not necessarily something you have to do if you don't want to. So first of all, if you hit the link down below, you can come over here. So the first thing you're going to do when you come over here is you get hit potentially with a $350 bonus, but there's also on offer a bonus of up to 50% of your deposit up to the value of 1 Bitcoin, which is potentially floating around $20,000 if you look at it that way, which is obviously huge in that it gives you a load of extra liquidity to play with, and means that potentially you can then make more if your trading goes to plan. Now let's jump into the platform. As you can see, you can load up all these different cryptocurrencies, or if you don't have crypto already, you can also head over to here and you can pay via Visa or MasterCard from anywhere around the world, which is obviously a great thing. If you want to do various types of trading, there's different options available. By clicking on margin, we can see all the different pairs that are on offer, which, as you can see, is a huge amount more than others. Some people like to trade forex, some people like to trade crypto, some people like to trade both, and they're all available here with excellent levels of liquidity. If we just jump onto the BTC USD chart, it's very similar to TradingView, and as well has similarities between Bybit and things like that. One thing I really like compared to other platforms I use is actually this is a very much more simple order box available, and it doesn't work with sort of times 10 etc leverage, but you change your position size depending on the kind of level of risk you're looking to go for. For example, if you had 0.01 Bitcoin and you wanted to do 10x of that, you would then be putting in 0.1 of a Bitcoin. Obviously, it requires a bit of calculation, but all very straightforward. You can add indicators, etc. to this, but what is really cool about this platform is if you click on analysis and you come over to basically a TradingView type platform, exactly the same as TradingView, with all of the indicators, all of the lines, etc. that you will ever want. This is what I often use for making my videos, as I'm sure you're aware if you have been watching my videos before. In terms of like the layout of this, it's super clean and very easy to sort of navigate your way around. There's trade history, your account details, etc. on the left. There's tutorials of how to use the platform, etc., as well as a sort of a chat where you can kind of join in with the community, as well as troubleshoot any issues, etc. So overall, I think this is a really cool and clean platform, and due to the reason I said earlier, one, because there's a fantastic bonus through this, but also because of where this company is located in comparison to where the other companies are located. That for me is a really big winner, and something that has made me take the leap from those other ones that I talked about earlier over to PrimeXBT. The spreads are super low as well, which is obviously good to see. Guys, if you jump in through the link, then you can go and get that sign up bonus. Obviously, guys, trading is risky and you can potentially lose all the money that you invest in it. So only if you're an experienced trader should you be looking at this. If you haven't got any experience in trading, then don't worry. I'll probably make a video on that later in the week where you can get started through some sort of a demo account where you don't have to pay any money and you can learn to start somewhere. Guys, thanks very much for watching. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as smash the subscribe button to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening in crypto and markets. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.